Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm going to deliver the third day's lecture of our assignment number 5, and this is the same as the previous lecture, which is new places. In the last lecture we have just read that comprehension passage, and now we are going to do some written works of this comprehension passage. So please open your books on page number 38. Open your textbooks on page number 38. Before starting, let us discuss objective of this lesson. First is to listen the paragraph again or to read the paragraph again, and you have to then answer the question on page number 38. And what would be the success criteria? That at the end of reading or listening that passage again, you should answer the question independently without any help. Okay, I hope so that you had read the comprehension passage 5 months in Southeast Asia very carefully. Now you have to do the question answers on page number 38. You just have to do question number 3 and question number 4. Okay, look at question number 3, which is read the blog again and match the activities 1 to 5 to the places A to E. In the comprehension passage, you have saw that Jack had visited many different places, and at every different place he had done a kind of activity, right? He had played something or he had done any kind of activity. So you have to match the activity to its place, right? At which first one is diving. You have to reread the passage and then you have to tell that at which place he had done diving. Second one is kayaking, right? You have to go back to the passage again and then you have to find out the place, that at which place he had done this activity. Riding a scooter, at which place he ride a scooter. Volunteering, trekking, you have to match the places with the activities where these activities had been held by the Jack, right? You have to match these column, you have to match the activity with the place, that at which place this activity took place, right? It's very easy. I hope you have understood. Next one is answer the question, where does Jack live? You can see in the passage it is very much clearly mentioned in the last paragraph, right? What kind of places do you think Jack like visiting? When you'll read the paragraph, you'll be able to know that what kind of places he like. Why did Jack have mixed feeling when he arrived home? Mixed feeling mean he was feeling sad as well as happy. Why he was feeling sad? Why he was happy? He was sad because he left all the places, and why he was happy? Because he was back to his own home, right? So now you have to answer it in your own words. How did Jack feel about each place? Reread the passage and then talk about Jack's feeling about each place which he had visited, right? Okay, this is the same as previous one. First of all, you have to remember the name of the countries Jack mentioned in his blog. Write down all the names which Jack had mentioned in his blog in this comprehension passage, right? Name of the country, name of the places which had been mentioned here, and then similarly exercise 3, which I have explained you earlier, that you have to match the activity to its place and then answer the question. These are the very simple 4 questions and you have to answer all these questions. And in case of any query, if you are unable to understand anything, kindly do tell me, right? Please don't solve these questions on your book. Do these questions on your loose sheet. Write these questions on your sheets and then do these questions on your loose sheet. Do not do these questions on your books.